Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock My Melody Crepe Recipe in Heartopia X Sanrio update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to click on this menu, the Sanrio Characters Wonderland menu. Then you're going to select this event, Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine. You're going to go to the event details and go to Gacha. Click on this option, and then you're going to follow the guidance or the sign, and you're going to visit this event location right here guys. It's located here at the Amethyst beach. Then you're going to go to the Gacha Machine. Just click on the Gacha Machine and you will get reward. I've already collect on this machine, so now this machine needs break. Okay, you just need to click all the machine right here, and then you will be able to claim your rewards. Just go back to this menu, go back to the Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine menu. Then you're going to claim the recipe here. This is the food recipe for My Melody Crepe. And then we can on our normal stove. So I'm gonna go back to my house. Okay, let's cook the crepe with the normal stove. You'll find the recipe here. Okay, I'm gonna choose the crepe recipe, and we need wheat, butter, egg, and also milk. Okay, let's start cooking now. Done, and I'm going to click on this button. Okay, this is my first time making my melody crepe. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock My Melody Crepe recipe in Heartopia X Sanrio Characters update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.